The powerhouse of a cell is A. Ribosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Mitochondria, D. Granules. Correct answer. The powerhouse of a cell is C. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are small, oval-shaped organelles that are found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They are the site of cellular respiration, which is the process by which cells produce energy. The cell organ which is related to synthesis of ATP is A. Mitochondria, B. Lysosome, C. Nucleus, D. Golgi body. Correct answer. The cell organ synthesizes protein is A. Golgi body, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Lysosome. Correct answer. The cell organelle that synthesizes proteins is ribosome. Ribosomes are small, round organelles that are found in the cytoplasm of all cells. They are made up of RNA and protein, and they are the site of protein synthesis. Bones are A. Muscles tissue, B. Epithelium tissue, C. Connective tissue, D. All of these. Correct answer. Tissue components. Bone tissue is a type of connective tissue that contains lots of calcium and phosphorus salts. About 25% of bone tissue is water, another 25% is made up of protein fibers like collagen. The other 50% of bone tissue is a mixture of mineral salts, primarily calcium and phosphorus. Exchange of gas between alveoli of lungs and blood is take place by A. Diffusion, B. Osmosis, C. Filtration, D. None of these. Correct answer. Diffusion is the process by which molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. The alveoli of the lungs are surrounded by capillaries, which are small blood vessels. The blood in the capillaries has a high concentration of carbon dioxide and a low concentration of oxygen. The air in the alveoli has a high concentration of oxygen and a low concentration of carbon dioxide. Amount of cardiac output in a healthy adult is approximately A. 3 L-min, B. 4 L-min, C. 7 L-min, D. 5 L-min. Correct answer. The amount of cardiac output in a healthy adult is approximately 5 L-min. Cardiac output is the volume of blood pumped by the heart per minute. It is calculated by multiplying the heart rate by the stroke volume. The heart rate is the number of times the heart beats per minute, and the stroke volume is the amount of blood pumped by the heart with each beat. Which is the first artery of general circulation? A. Pulmonary, B. Coronary, C. Aorta, D. None of these. Correct answer. Pepsin is act as A. pH equals 1.5 minus 3.5, B. pH equals 7, C. pH more than 7, D. pH less than 4. Correct answer. Pepsin hydrolyzes proteins into short polypeptides in an acidic medium of pH 2.0 in the stomach. Kupffer cells are found in A. Liver, B. Stomach, C. Kidney, D. Intestine. Correct answer. Kupffer cells, also known as stellate macrophages and Kupffer-Brauet cells, are specialized macrophages located in the liver, lining the walls of the sinusoids. They form part of the mononuclear phagocyte system. Breakdown of RBC is known as A. Erythroblast, B. Cytoblast, C. Erythropoiesis, D. Hemolysis. Correct answer. Hemolysis refers to the rupture or destruction of red blood cells RBCs. It can occur due to various factors, such as physical trauma, immune reactions, infections, certain medications, toxins, or certain medical conditions. Which vitamin is helpful in blood clotting? A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin E, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin C. Correct answer. Fertilization take place in A. Ovary, B. Fallopian tube, C. Uterus, D. Vagina. Correct answer. The only movable joint of the skull is A. Coronal joint, B. Sagittal suture, C. Temporomandibular, D. All of these. Correct answer. Total number of floating ribs are A. 1 pair, B. 2 pair, C. 3 pair, D. 4 pair. Correct answer. How is oxygen used by living organisms? A. It is used to release energy that is stored in food. B. It controls the amount of heat produced. C. It is part of water and is necessary to keep organisms hydrated. D. All of these. Correct answer. How many chromosomes are there altogether in a normal human cell? A. 44, B. 22 pair, C. 46, D. 48. Correct answer. The part of the cell that binds to mRNA during protein synthesis is A. Lysosome, B. Ribosome, C. Centrosome, D. All of these. Correct answer. After transcription in the nucleus, the mRNA exits through a nuclear pore and enters the cytoplasm. At the region on the mRNA containing the methylated cap and the start codon, the small and large subunits of the ribosome bind to the mRNA. The reproduction of humans requires the genetic process of A. Meiosis, B. Bivalence, C. Mitosis, D. None of these. Correct answer. Meiosis is the chromosomal foundation of reproduction, with errors in this important process leading to aneuploidy and/or infertility. What hormone does the pancreatic alpha cell secrete? A. Glucagon, B. Somatotropin, C. Somatostatin, D. Insulin. Correct answer. The pancreatic alpha cell secretes glucagon. Glucagon is a hormone that helps to raise blood sugar levels. It does this by signaling the liver to release stored glucose into the bloodstream. Glucagon is also involved in the breakdown of glycogen, a type of stored energy. In females, the effect of follicle-stimulating hormone is A. The final maturation of the ovarian follicles and the release of estrogen. B. The early maturation of the ovarian follicles and the release of progesterone. C. The final maturation of the ovarian follicles and the release of progesterone. D. The early maturation of the ovarian follicles and the release of estrogen. Correct answer. In women, FSH helps control the menstrual cycle and stimulates the growth of eggs in the ovaries. FSH levels in women change throughout the menstrual cycle, with the highest levels happening just before an egg is released by the ovary.